Hi everyone, I'm Fiona, and in this video, we are going to talk about 4 main features of continued EPS cutting line. First, preset all the information to support continued cutting of different batch order. Second, manual setting of feed EPS block height in case there are different height. Third, automatic real-time display of the remaining EPS board height. Fourth, after input the cutting information, there are self-test function before the official cutting, which can automatically check whether the stack data is correct to avoid incorrect cutting. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.